I'm feeling under the weather today. I'm feeling under the weather today. I missed the bus. I missed the bus. I burned the food. I burned the food. I'm out of cash. I'm out of cash. I tripped over a wire. I tripped over a wire. I forgot my password. I forgot my password. I have a noisy neighbor. I have a noisy neighbor. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to lose weight. I forgot an important date. I forgot an important date. I have no internet connection. I have no internet connection. I spill ink on my paper. I spill ink on my paper. I'm caught in the rain without an umbrella. I'm caught in the rain without an umbrella. I forget my wallet at home. I forget my wallet at home. I forget my friend's birthday. I forget my friend's birthday. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts. I left my lunch at home. I left my lunch at home. I'm having trouble sleeping lately. I'm having trouble sleeping lately. I forgot to charge my phone last night. I forgot to charge my phone last night. I'm feeling homesick. I'm feeling homesick. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. I dropped my phone in toilet bowl. I dropped my phone in toilet bowl. I'm not getting along with my roommate. I'm not getting along with my roommate. I'm on a tight budget. I'm on a tight budget. I spill milk on the floor. I spill milk on the floor. I have a meeting in 5 minutes. I have a meeting in 5 minutes. I accidentally spilled coffee on my shirt. I accidentally spilled coffee on my shirt. I'm dealing with a flat tire. I'm dealing with a flat tire. I left my windows open and it rained. I left my windows open and it rained. I'm having a hard time making ends meet this month. I'm having a hard time making ends meet this month. I broke my glasses. I broke my glasses. I am late for school. I am late for school. I am stuck in an elevator. I am stuck in an elevator. I'm overwhelmed with work. I'm overwhelmed with work. I'm worried about missing my flight. I'm worried about missing my flight. I'm having a hard time learning English. I'm having a hard time learning English. I'm dealing with a noisy neighbor. I'm dealing with a noisy neighbor. I'm experiencing jet lag. I'm experiencing jet lag. I'm having car troubles. I'm having car troubles. I have a toothache. I have a toothache. I broke a dish. I broke a dish. I burned my hand. I burned my hand. I'm out of groceries. I'm out of groceries. I cracked my phone screen. I cracked my phone screen. I can't find a parking spot. I can't find a parking spot. I have blisters from new shoes. I have blisters from new shoes. I got a sunburn. I got a sunburn. I have a mosquito bite. I have a mosquito bite. I forgot to water the plants. I forgot to water the plants. I'm having a bad hair day. I'm having a bad hair day. I have a stain on my favorite dress. I have a stain on my favorite dress. I have to work overtime. I have to work overtime. I have a splinter in my finger. I have a splinter in my finger. I'm dealing with allergies. I'm dealing with allergies. I can't decide what to wear. I can't decide what to wear. I'm having difficulty focusing today. I'm having difficulty focusing today. I'm dealing with a cold. I'm dealing with a cold.